Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today's recipe is pretty, it's fun, and it's delicious. So today we're going to be making some Funfetti birthday waffles, which I think are just going to be perfect for Wow Me Wednesday. So to get started, I have got a cup of water here that I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of oil to. And set that down for a second. I've got 3 eggs, and then I've got a box of white cake mix. I'm guessing you could buy the Funfetti cake mix because it comes with the sprinkles, but I like to put a lot of sprinkles, so I got the big container. And then we're just going to mix in some sprinkles. Think that's enough? Maybe that's enough. Can never have too many sprinkles. I love sprinkles because you can put sprinkles on anything and it becomes a party. Okay, so we're just going to use our mixer and beat this together. And that looks good. It smells good. It smells like birthday cake. All right, so I'm just going to set these aside. And I've got my waffle maker, which should be already heated up. All right, so then I'm just going to spray my waffle maker with a little bit of cooking spray. Oops. I'll get that later. We got to worry about waffles. And then I'm just going to take an extra big scoop of our waffle mix. Put it right down in the center, close it, flip it, and in just a few minutes, we're going to have the prettiest waffles that you have ever seen. All right, I think she's ready, so let's open her up. Look at that. You are so cute. Look at all the different colors. How pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Didn't I tell you they were going to be gorgeous? How fun are those? All right, let's make another one. This is fun. Oh, it looks like my sprinkles are starting to melt a little bit. You better move fast. And then I went ahead and made up some whipped cream also. So this is just heavy whipping cream. I put a couple of tablespoons of powdered sugar. And this is our whipped cream maker. So you just pump this for about 30 seconds and then you've got fresh homemade whipped cream. So I'm going to get a piping bag while this cooks and transfer it into there so we can pipe some whipped cream onto our waffles. All right, our last waffle finished cooking while I was transferring my whipped cream into my piping bag. So, look how pretty these are. So pretty, right? So I'm just going to grab a couple so I can taste them. And these probably won't get all eaten today, but anytime I make pancakes or waffles, I usually make extra anyway, and then I put them in the freezer. So it's just a really quick breakfast for the kids. So I'm just going to pipe a little bit of whipped cream on here. And I had gotten out some pancake syrup, but I'm telling you, I think I can smell. These are so sweet. I don't think I really need any syrup. Those are good. They're really good. I'm trying to think if it does it taste like a waffle or does it taste like birthday cake? It tastes like both. Those are really good. More importantly, I think they're fun. That's what I really like about them. But I think the kids are really going to like these. I think this would be a perfect thing if it was your birthday to wake up to for breakfast or any day of the week. I'm actually enjoying them a lot today. So definitely give these a try. Make them for your family. I think the kids will absolutely just love them. So I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.